In this video, I am going to show you how to save a Gemini chat as a PDF. So first of all, you'll need to go and open Gemini and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Once you do so, go and open the chat that you want to save as a PDF. Make sure that all parts, or just you selecting first of all the right chats. An example, let's say I'm selecting this one. Now, once you are inside the chat that you want to save as a PDF, all you need to do, just go on your PC, make sure to click on a chat. Then, if you are on Windows, you'll have to click on Control plus P, and you will find this. So you'll find per default Microsoft print to PDF. So just go and choose Save a PDF or as PDF, and make sure to scroll down and check if you have your whole chats inside the PDF or not. Once you're done, click on save it, and you should have your PDF ready. Now, as an example, you can go and open it inside whatever you want. Example, let me just go here and open it on only Office. And now I have my PDF ready. I can go and use it wherever I. Of course, if you are on a Mac instead, so as you can see, for example, here's the PDF with the chats that I have in Gemini. As I said, if you are in Mac instead of Windows, you'll have to click on Command plus P. And you can also open the browser menu. Like an example, for me, I'm using Brave. Go to the right, click three dots, go to the bottom, and click on print. If you don't, or if you can't, Control P, Command P is not working for you, you can use this as well. So from here, you'll be able to save it as a PDF, and you should. Of course, one more thing to mention. So as an example here, you can choose also if you want to save as PDF all the pages, like all chats, or you can choose, example, some specific amount of pages, like from page 1 to page 2. You just want this part and stuff like that. And then you can click on save, and it will save just what you want. And of course, you have other things to change there, like more settings, the paper size, paper per sheets, margin, scale, and everything. So you'll be able to do however you want with those settings, then click on save to save it as you want. And of course, some alternatives is basically exporting a Gemini response to a Google Docs and then export it to or download this as a PDF. So how to do that? Inside the example, the response, you can click on the three dots, click on export to docs. And as you can see, create the document, and it will export it to the same account that you are connected to. So you can go and open as example your docs.com, and let's just wait for it. So as example, yeah, it's saved. You can just click on open docs from there, and as you can see, you'll find this open there. So from here, go here to file, and you can from here, as example, download and documents, PDF documents, as simple as that. Just click on download there as a PDF, and it will be downloaded. Let's keep in mind that you can do that only for specific answers, not the whole chats. So that's how you save a Gemini chat as a PDF. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.